students, now we shall discuss about the topic that is Schrodinger time independent wave equation. According to de Broglie theory, a particle of mass m is always associated with a wave whose wavelength is lambda is equal to h by mv, where v is the velocity of particle, h is Planck's constant, and its value is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. So so the significance of this is dual nature of matter. Means matter behaves like a wave at some time, and other times it behaves like a particle. So consider a system of stationary waves associated with a particle. Let x, y, z be the coordinates of the particle, and the wave displacement psi for the de Broglie wave at any time t is called wave function. Psi is a finite single valued and periodic function. So, these are the properties. Psi is finite single valued periodic function. So these three are properties of wave function. So the classical differential equation of wave function, that is dou square psi by dou t square is equal to v square into dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square. So here dou square psi by dou t square is equal to v square into del square psi. So where del square is a Laplacian operator, that is del square is equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square y by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square, where v is the wave velocity. So the solution of equation 1 is psi is equal to psi naught sin omega t. So that is equal to psi naught sin 2 pi nu t, where angular frequency of a stationary wave, so that is omega is equal to 2 pi nu, where nu is the frequency of a wave, stationary wave. So lambda naught, I'm so sorry, psi naught is a wave amplitude. So now differentiating the equation 2 with respect to time. So dou psi by dou t is equal to psi naught to 2 pi nu into cos 2 pi nu into t. Again differentiating with respect to time. So dou square psi by dou t square psi naught 2 pi nu into 2 pi nu, so minus sin 2 pi nu t. So therefore dou square psi by dou t square is equal to 2 pi nu into 2 pi nu, that is 2 pi nu whole square. So minus here minus 2 pi nu whole square sin naught sin 2 pi nu t. So this represent psi wave function. So that is psi. Since from equation to psi is equal to sin naught to sin 2 pi nu t. Here. So 2 pi nu whole square, that is 4 pi square nu square. So minus here. So here according to wave velocity, that is v is equal to nu lambda. From this nu is equal to v by lambda. This value substitute instead of nu square. Therefore 4 pi square into v by lambda whole square into psi. So dou square psi by dou t square, simplifying this, minus 4 pi square v square by lambda square into psi. So v is a wave velocity here. So comparing equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 and equation 3 comparing. So here dou square psi by dou t square in equation 3 and in equation 1 both same. So that's why I'm comparing the equation. The v square into del square psi is equal to minus 4 pi square nu square psi by lambda square. So v square cancels. So del square psi is equal to minus 4 pi square by lambda square into psi. So this value keep this side. So del square psi plus 4 pi square by lambda square into psi is equal to 0. So del square psi here, lambda is de Broglie wavelength. Since de Broglie wavelength, that is lambda is equal to h by mv. So now reciprocal to this, 1 by lambda is equal to mv by h. So again squaring on both sides, 1 by lambda square is equal to m square v square by h square. So this value substitute instead of 1 by lambda square here. So then you will get del square psi plus 4 pi m 4 I'm so sorry 4 pi square m square v square by h square into psi is equal to 0. So this is equation 4. So in this equation now we want to remove this term. So that's why let capital E is the total energy of the particle. So capital E is equal to sum the kinetic energy of the particle plus potential energy of the particle, that is V naught. So therefore capital E is equal to kinetic energy plus V naught. So this is the potential energy. So therefore kinetic energy of the particle, that is 1 by 2 mv square plus V naught. So from this equation 1 by 2 mv square is equal to, so this term keep this side, so 1 by 2 mv square is equal to E minus V naught. Therefore 2 take this side, therefore mv square is equal to 2 into E minus V naught, multiplying by m on both sides, therefore m into mv square is equal to 2m into E minus V naught. Therefore m into m square V square is equal to 2m into E minus V naught. This is equation 4. So this value substitute in equation 4. M square V square value substitute here instead of m square V square. Therefore, so del square psi plus 4 pi into 2m into E minus V naught by h square into psi. So now multiplying, so del square psi plus 8 pi 4 pi square into 2m, 8 pi square m into E minus V naught into psi by h square is equal to 0. This is equation 6. So now so this equation, our convenient, we have to write like this: the del square psi plus 4 pi square by h square into 2m into E minus V naught into psi naught. So here, so h cross is equal to h by 2 pi, you know. So now now reciprocal to this term, so 1 by h cross is equal to 2 pi by h. So now both squaring on both sides, 1 by h square, 1 by h cut square is equal to 4 pi square by h square. So this value substitute, so I'm so sorry, so this value is equal to 1 by h cross square, 1 by h cross square substitute instead of this. So therefore you will get del square psi plus 2 pi by 2m by h cross square into E minus V naught into psi is equal to 0. So del square psi plus 2m by h cross square into E minus V naught into psi is equal to 0. So this equation represent time independent wave equation, Schrodinger time independent wave equation. Equation 6 also. So this is also Schrodinger time independent equation. This is also Schrodinger time. So modifying this equation, you will get this finally. So for a free particle, the potential energy V naught is equal to 0. So potential energy V naught is equal to 0 means the particle is freely to move within the space. So hence the Schrodinger time independent wave equation, so that is del square psi plus 2m by h cross square E minus E minus 0 is into psi is equal to 0. Once again, del square psi plus 2m by h cross square E minus 0 into psi is equal to 0. So then, so del square psi plus 2m by h cross square E into psi is equal to 0. So this is a Schrodinger time independent wave equation for a free particle. Thank you, students. For a free particle, the potential energy is 0 means the particle is freely move with the kinetic energy. So that energy equal to total energy. Thank you, students. Now see the answer from starting to ending. Don't forget subscribe my channel.